Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing an unboxing of My Melody. So I'll now be unboxing, so I'm going to flip around the camera. And it's actually out of 8 chances and obviously a rare. So there's the Melody and here's the options. I'll be happy with whatever. There's the other two, which are quite interesting. So I'm gonna exciting. Oh, she feels like she might be either that one or that one. Oh my god, she's so cute. Which one's that one? Hey, it's next to the rare, so I wasn't far off, but hey, she's so pretty. She's quite weighty as well. So look how cute she is. Now that means I'm gonna have to go and get some more. She's super cute. She's quite weighty. Very pretty. I didn't expect to get the one near the rare. So 7 more to collect, maybe, depending. Oh, and I didn't even see that there's actually a sticker. Is it a sticker? No, it's just a little cardboard just to say which one I got. And I didn't even look in there. I just grabbed it out of the box and you watch me. So yeah, so cute. That's it a bit closer up. And that's it. Which I think's really adorable. Let me know if you want me to do any more unboxings of My Melody. Because obviously it says there on the front that one, but it's not. I didn't get that one. I got the other one. So see you again soon. Thank you.